this is the best way to avoid restrictions on your page. Maybe you're somebody that create adult content, or you create content that might be a little bit violent or complicated, right? For you to avoid having these restrictions from Facebook every now and then, these are the things you should do. And please be reminded that this will limit followers on your page. If you are not ready, don't do it. All right. With these settings, you will not be in any Facebook group. You will not be able to join a Facebook group, and all the Facebook groups that your account, that your page is part of, will be automatically removed. All right, because groups permit people of all ages. Here is age restriction, and when you restrict age from 18, your page will reduce. You will be reduced the way Facebook should restrict or get restrictions on your page. Okay, so let me show you how you can set up your age restriction and make sure that your page doesn't get too much strikes or restrictions, or maybe. So this is how you can get your page age restriction, so that you avoid restrictions on your page. When you reduce your when you put on your age restriction, it's going to help your page from restrictions. Okay, so this is the simplest way to do it. If you're a person that you post content maybe that are a little bit violent or adult content, this is what you need to do. You first of all, you have to switch to the page that you want to set it up. You switch to that page. All right, when you switch there, now you click on these dots here, this menu button here. You click on it. When you click on it, yes, then now you go settings, but let's use this setting icon. Let's use this setting icon above here. Click on this setting icon. When you click on it, it's going to carry you down here. You come down, you go to audience and visibility. On audience and visibility, you see followers and public content. Followers and public content. When you click on it, you push below, come right below. Yes, you come right below. You see age restriction below here. Age restriction. When you click on age restriction, you are going to see I'm on public. You can set 17 and over, 18 and over, 19 and over, 21 and over. So for you to avoid any form of restriction, you have to click on 21 or 18 and over, right? But because of this now, we are going to make sure that we move forward. And with this, you will not get any kind of restrictions commonly like a normal public page. Okay, and remember that when you set up these settings, it will kick you out of all pages. So that is to say, every group that you were part of it with this page, they're going to take you out. The only means you can do to have this page shared the post by yourself is that you either use your profile or use another page to share your videos with. All right, so that's just what you need to do to set up this place. Please, if this is your first time to be here, just make sure that you share, you like, you comment on my videos. God bless you, and see you in my next video.